Hey guys, Colin F. Watson here. I want to do a quick video to kind of outline the differences with the two different B12 combos that we have on our website. You can buy these two together. They're a perfect 1-2 punch. You have the B12 cyanbolamine, and then you have the B12 lipotropic shots, MIC. MIC stands for methathione, inositol, and choline. They are amino acids, powerful amino acids to help detox the body, help improve liver function, help with fat mobilization, fat metabolizing, increases the metabolism, decreases hunger. A lot of magical things with MIC. The B12 cyanbolamine is primarily used for those that are energy. As you know, our protocol does promote exercise for those of you guys who are stepping it up in the gym, doing cardio every day, training. This is going to help you increase your energy levels, also help with the metabolism, but also help with hair growth. We added the B12 to the HCG protocol because some women were complaining about hair loss back in the day. But since we've increased our protein portions, that's not so much of a problem anymore. But if you're concerned with that, hair loss, this is another one you want to add to your regimen. So the two together are very powerful, but they are dosed differently. So I want to go over the dosing with you guys to make sure that when you get it, you understand it. The B12 cyanbolamine is dosed. We actually should recommend you add this to your HCG dose. So we recommend anywhere between 17 to 20 units a day of HCG. You add an additional 40 units of this B12 into the same syringe, inject it into the belly fat. Shouldn't have any discomfort or burning whatsoever. This is your daily B12 shot. Now the B12 MIC Lipotropic shots, the fat burner we call it. This one you're going to take 100 units. You're going to want to use a half cc, half inch, 100 unit full cc, half inch needle. It's a little bit longer than the 5/16, so you can get it into the muscle. You want to use 100 units anywhere from every 3 days to once a week, depending on how you want to dose it. For best use, taking 100 units 2 to 3 times a week will really help you metabolize fat and help the body and the liver process more fat, which will reduce your body fat. It does have a little bit of sting to it. There's a little bit of alcohol in there, so you're going to see it's going to have a little bit of bite to it. Also it's more of a brownish kind of a auburn type color, which is normal, and it has a very strong scent to it. It's a very potent, powerful B12. You're going to notice when you inject it in your body, you're going to feel and smell that B12 going in you. That's absolutely normal. So that's why we say anywhere between 1 to 3 times a week, because some people don't like the discomfort of it. I'm used to it. I think the best place to inject this B12 MIC is into the shoulder, head of the shoulder, the outer thigh, or the top of the glute. For best results and best application and less discomfort. So once again, the B12 in the larger 30 ml bottle, the cranberry colored B12 is your daily B12, 40 units a day added to your 20 units of HCG as your daily dose, and your B12 MIC lipotropic shots, 100 units, three times a week maximum, up to once a week every 7 days, whichever your choice is. I hope that helps you. If you have any other questions, you know how to reach us. Use our telephone number on the website, or email us at either Colin@colinfwatson.com or info@hcgrx.com.